Rachel. For today's video, this company reached out to me and I will be doing another collaboration. They sent me a pair of shoes for review. So yes guys, shoes. If you love shoes, you're in the right place. You know, long hours of shopping and exploring is definitely not good for your feet. And most shoes available were not giving us the support and comfort of our feet needed. We constantly had sore spots and aching arches by the end of the day. So this brand, they reimagined one of their ground up. And they're working with a podiatrist. I can't pronounce that. Podiatrist. Yeah. And exactly 8 revisions later, the result, the cutest shoes that will give you the softest steps. And this brand is called Empress. So they sent me another pair of shoes that I will be showing you pretty quick. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. I will, try these shoes and see how it feels on my feet. You can check the website and... One thing is the box got damaged. There's a cut here. And I'm so sad guys because I really like this box. So pretty and it's really sturdy. Because I can keep this like the other one I had before. I kept it. When I received the package, this plastic or this bag right here, it's already taped and I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it got damaged, I guess. So the post office, they receive it damaged or unsealed conditions or without contents. This box, I'm kind of sad guys because I really like it. It's really a pretty box to just throw it away. Anyway, I'm going to keep this one because the packaging, the box itself, and I like the color. It's purple and there is a... looks like a bunny or a rabbit. I don't know, but it says Empress right here. And see that guys? I really like the box and it's sturdy and it's not like an ordinary box. You can keep this and then you can put the shoes back when, if you want to keep the shoes. So I'll open the box and show you what's inside and what it looks like. Here it is. They sent me an insole too. The other one, the one that they sent me last time, they didn't send me an extra insole, but that was okay. I wore them if I go out because, it's soft and comfortable. Yeah, we want comfort, guys. Yeah. I have a lot of shoes, but most of them are not comfortable. It hurts my feet. And of course, they sent this. It's a purple rose. Yeah, I really like when they, sent extra stuff. I like it when they do that. I kept mine too. It smells like shoes. So anyway, this is beautiful. This is pretty, lovely. I'm going to keep that as well. Here it is. They put it in this bag. This shoes is Floccasin. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Floccasin. I got a chance to pick the color. I wear size 5 for US. Oh, this is really pretty. There's 2 different colors and the one I picked is black and the other one is beige. I really like the style of their shoes and look at this one over here. This is beige and black. You can pair these shoes with dresses or whatever outfits that feels comfortable to you with the shoes like jeans, capri or shorts or whatever. I will be going to town and wear these shoes and see how it feels by the end of the day. If I'm going to try this out and tell you my honest review about these shoes. So excited and I can't wait to wear them. It says right here, it says Empress inside. They have wide and medium and I got the medium one. And aside from the shoes, and they sent me insole, this one. Let's put this in the shoes. Ooh, too big, but I think, yeah, it's too big. If I'm gonna wear this insole, I will probably cut it like over here. It will fit in there. I mentioned that I wear size 5. Yes, I remember now that size 5 is a little bit too big. I wish they have like size 4 or 4.5, because I wear size 5, guys, but the last time when I tried, you know, their shoes, it's a little bit too big, but I still wear it because there was a strap, so I just have to adjust it. And this one, we'll see how it fit, if it's too big or not, but I'm just excited to try this one. So I'm going to probably cut it because it's too big. You know, it will help your feet, you know, the comfort of your feet. Yes, guys, if you wear shoes that are not comfortable, you know that, right? What else is inside the box? Let me see. They sent me this shoe bag. I think, I don't know how you gonna call it, a shoe bag. That it's really cool, guys, because, you know, you can just put the shoes in the bag when you're done. Here, there you go. And you can use the bag too for something else, like when you go grocery shopping, or, you know, whatever that you can put in the bag. I'll see you the next day. Hello guys, I'm back. Yes, I went to some stores yesterday, like 2 or 3 stores, and I've been on my feet whole afternoon. And I also went to my husband's appointment. I'm really surprised that shoes, I didn't get any blisters. I'm really impressed about that. And also, it is soft and feels comfortable to wear. I'm so happy that I replaced the insole, this, and I trimmed it. This one, I just gonna trace the design or the style of this extra insole. I'm really happy that I changed it to this because it really makes a difference. When I tried it the other day, you know, it's just about right. This leather here, it is really soft, and I didn't get any blisters for how many hours, because most shoes that I have, when I first bought it and I tried them on, wear it for how many hours, you know, I get blisters. And this one feels good to wear them. I'm really happy, guys. So the insole is soft. Everybody's feet is different, so mine, for my experience, yeah, that's about it, guys, and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Even my husband, he likes it. He likes the style, and I like that, you know. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.